Characters: Layla Winters -31 left the town, and him, but never stopped carrying his name inside her. Evan Cole, 33, stayed behind, didn't move on. Didn't turn off the light the beginning, it's been 5 years. Layla comes back for her father's memorial. It's raining. And there, across the street, is the old cafe where they used to meet. She steps in. And there he is, Evan, sitting at the same table, reading the same book he never finished. He looks up. Stands. Says nothing. The silence stretches longer than 5 years. The conversation: Layla, you still sit here, Evan, and you still wear the rain like you were searching for us in it. Layla, you never wrote to me, Evan, I did. I just never hit send. Layla, breaking slightly, I wanted to come back. I just needed a reason, Evan, rain's reason enough, the hug, the rain thickens. People run. But they stand there, still. She steps closer, slowly. No words. Just leans into his chest, and he wraps her in the kind of hug that says, I've waited for this in every dream, in every quiet room,